My morning routine is a testament to globalization. My coffee, Colombian beans, the ceramic mug made in China, the sugar from India. Even the news I consume on my phone is a tapestry of global events. This interconnectedness is the essence of globalization. It's about the free flow of goods, services, capital and information across borders, creating a complex and interdependent world. This interconnectedness, however, is not just about our daily consumption. It profoundly impacts businesses, especially in how they manage costs. This is where standard costing comes into play. Globalization, simply put, is the shrinking of the world, the interconnectedness of markets. It's a phenomenon that has been accelerating over the past few decades, driven by advancements in technology, transportation and communication. It's about the free flow of goods, services and ideas across borders. This seamless exchange has led to increased economic interdependence among nations, fostering both opportunities and challenges for businesses worldwide. This interconnectedness, however, is not just about our daily consumption. It extends to how businesses operate, strategize and compete on a global scale. Companies must navigate complex supply chains and diverse markets. It profoundly impacts businesses, especially in how they manage costs. Efficient cost management becomes essential for maintaining competitiveness and profitability in a global market. This is where standard costing comes into play. Standard costing is a management tool used to estimate the cost of producing a good or service, providing a framework for cost control and financial planning. Standard costing involves setting benchmarks for material, labor, and overhead costs. These benchmarks serve as a reference point for measuring actual performance against expected outcomes. It sets benchmarks for material, labor, and overhead costs. By comparing actual costs to these standards, businesses can identify variances and take corrective actions to improve efficiency. This helps businesses track performance, manage budgets, and price their products competitively. Effective standard costing enables companies to make informed decisions, optimize resource allocation, and enhance overall financial performance. In a globalized world, this becomes even more crucial. As businesses expand their reach across borders, the ability to manage costs effectively can be the difference between success and failure in the international marketplace. Imagine a ship navigating the open sea. To reach its destination, it needs a compass. For businesses, especially in a globalized marketplace, standard costing is that compass. It provides direction and helps in navigating the complexities of production costs. At its core, standard costing involves setting predetermined costs for every element of production. These standards act as targets, allowing businesses to measure deviations and analyze variances. This analysis is crucial for identifying inefficiencies, reducing waste, and ultimately improving profitability.
Section 5, Currency Fluctuations, a Global Balancing Act. The value of currencies constantly fluctuates in the global market. These fluctuations are influenced by a myriad of factors including economic indicators, geopolitical events, and market speculation. What might seem like a favorable material cost today can quickly escalate due to currency fluctuations tomorrow. For instance, a sudden political event or a change in trade policies can cause a currency to depreciate or appreciate rapidly. This volatility poses a significant challenge for businesses using standard costing. Companies must constantly monitor exchange rates and adjust their financial strategies accordingly to avoid unexpected losses. Imagine a company sourcing components from a country with a weakening currency. Initially, this might seem like a golden opportunity to reduce costs and increase profit margins. Initially, this seems advantageous, as the cost of materials appears lower. The company might even decide to increase its order volume to capitalize on the favorable exchange rate. However, if the currency strengthens before the transaction is complete, the actual cost could exceed the standard cost, impacting profitability. This sudden change can lead to budget overruns and affect the overall financial health of the company. Businesses must adopt strategies to mitigate these risks, such as hedging or forward contracts, to lock in exchange rates and protect themselves from unexpected currency fluctuations. By doing so, they can ensure more predictable financial outcomes and maintain stability in their operations.
Section 6. Cultural differences. Bridging the gap. Globalization extends beyond just the exchange of goods and services. It also involves navigating diverse cultural norms and business practices. These differences can impact labor costs, production efficiency, and even the quality of goods, posing challenges for standard costing. For instance, labor laws, working hours, and holiday schedules can vary significantly across countries. These differences can impact labor costs and production schedules. Understanding and adapting to these cultural nuances is crucial for setting realistic and achievable standard costs.
Section 7. Supply chain complexities from source to shelf. In today's interconnected world, the journey of a product from its origin to the consumer's hands is more intricate than ever before. Globalization often results in longer and more complex supply chains. Products now travel across multiple countries and continents before reaching their final destination. Businesses may source raw materials from one country, assemble components in another, and package the final product in a third location before it reaches consumers. This multi-step process involves numerous stakeholders and logistical challenges. The assembly line is just one part of this intricate puzzle. Each step requires precise coordination to ensure that components arrive on time and are assembled correctly. While this can lead to cost savings, it also introduces complexities in managing standard costs. The packaging phase must be efficient to maintain the product's integrity and appeal. It also introduces complexities in managing standard costs. Financial analysts must constantly review and adjust cost data to reflect the realities of a global supply chain. Tracking the movement of goods across multiple borders involves navigating various customs regulations and inspections. Each checkpoint can be a potential delay. Dealing with different transportation costs and regulations adds another layer of complexity. Each mode of transport has its own set of rules and costs. Ensuring timely delivery can be challenging. Logistics managers must oversee shipment schedules and coordinate with various transportation providers to keep everything on track. Any disruption in this intricate web can impact production schedules, increase costs, and affect the accuracy of standard costing. A single delay can ripple through the entire supply chain. Financial analysts and production managers must work together to mitigate these impacts and find solutions to keep the supply chain running smoothly. To overcome these challenges, businesses need robust supply chain management systems. These systems should be capable of handling the complexities of a global network. These systems should provide real-time visibility of inventory, track shipments, and offer insights into potential bottlenecks or delays. Efficient communication with suppliers across the globe is crucial. Regular updates and video conferences help maintain a smooth flow of information and ensure that everyone is on the same page.
Section 8. Opportunities in the chaos-enhanced cost transparency. Despite the challenges, globalization also presents unique opportunities for businesses to leverage standard costing for greater efficiency and cost control. By sourcing materials and labor from different parts of the world, businesses gain access to a wider pool of options. This global sourcing allows for greater cost transparency. Businesses can compare prices from various suppliers worldwide, negotiate better deals, and potentially reduce their standard costs. This increased competition in the global market can drive down prices and benefit businesses willing to explore these opportunities.
Section 9. Industry examples, manufacturing and tech in the global arena. The impact of globalization and standard costing is evident across industries. Take manufacturing, for example. A car manufacturer might source engine parts from Germany, electronics from Japan, and assemble the vehicle in Mexico, leveraging global expertise and cost advantages. Similarly, in the tech industry, a smartphone might be designed in California, its components manufactured in China, and the final assembly done in India. This global approach allows tech companies to optimize costs, access skilled labor, and bring products to market faster.
Section 10. The future of standard costing, navigating the global market. As globalization continues to shape the business world, standard costing will remain an essential tool for businesses to navigate the complexities of the global marketplace. However, the way standard costing is implemented and utilized will likely evolve. The future of standard costing lies in its adaptability. Businesses need to integrate technology, data analytics, and real-time information into their standard costing systems. This will enable them to respond quickly to market fluctuations, manage risks effectively, and make informed decisions in a rapidly changing global environment.